Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be taking a look at unboxing, reviewing and testing this 710 watt jigsaw made by Ferrex, which I bought from Aldi supermarket here in the UK. So here it is, the 710 watt electric jigsaw from Ferrex. I bought this around a month or two ago from Aldi supermarket here in the UK, and I paid £16.99. It was on offer, but I think the usual price that they do is around £19.99 as of the time of this video. I'm not sure if they have any in stock at the moment, but it's always worth keeping an eye out if you're in store just to see if any come up. So taking a look at the box, the no load speed is 0 to 3100 RPM. Cutting capacity, steel 5mm, wood 55mm. It has a 4-stage pendulum action, variable speed settings, tool-free blade change, dust extraction facility, lock-on trigger switch, speed control dial and a soft grip handle. So when it comes to the contents inside the box, you don't get much. You get the user manual. You also get this guide to make straight, consistent cuts. And you get the jigsaw itself, and it also comes with a blade, although I've been using it a lot and I've worn it out and I've hit a few nails when cutting up some old pallet wood, so I've actually replaced it with one of my own blades. So now taking a closer look at this jigsaw, at the back here it comes with an Allen key, conveniently so you can just keep it here, and when you want to use it you know where it is. It has the 4-stage pendulum switch here, 0, 1, 2 and 3, depending on what you're cutting and how thick. On the top here it has the variable speed settings going from number 1 to number 6. I've not gone up to number 6. I don't feel that I've needed to. Even on quite thick hard wood I've probably only gone up to 4 and it's done the job just fine. It has a rubberized grip here, feels quite comfortable. It's got a lock switch, so like a safety switch here, and then the main trigger. Underneath you've got the table here, the bed, and there's 2 Allen keys down here where you can take these out and you can actually adjust this to put an angle on your cut. I haven't done that myself, I don't really do that with jigsaws, but the option is there if you want it. And it also has what is nice, first of all, this cover here with the hole in the middle so you can still see what you're cutting, so it doesn't obstruct your view. And it's got this no tool, sort of a keyless blade change, so you just pull on this lever here and you can just put the blade in really easily. Like so. So for using the guide you can slide it here in the front, and then when getting it to the required distance from what you're cutting, there is 2 Allen key bolts here, one on either side, and you can use the provided Allen key to then tighten up the guide. I've just measured the cable length on this jigsaw and it's approximately 2 meters in length. So I'll just show you here the different speed modes. Here's number 1 and I'm going to work my way up to number 6. So just to summarise then, this is a pretty basic jigsaw, corded jigsaw with plenty of power, but it also has that nice 6-speed setting, and I like that because sometimes you don't need all the power, so you haven't got a fixed high power mode. You can put it down nice and low. It does the job. It's a decent bit of kit, I would say, for the money. I wanted this mainly for cutting up rough wood when I want to dispose of it, such as old pallets, anything that I don't want, just to cut it into smaller, more manageable pieces, and I found that it's very good for that. I've also used it recently to help me build a fence. I cut some half lap joints in some fence posts with it, so it's a good tool in my opinion. Okay, so that is about it for the testing and the review of this 710 watt jigsaw. First impressions, bearing in mind the low budget price. I think it's an excellent tool for the money. It does the job. It has the variable speed settings, which I find very useful. It's comfortable with the rubber grip, and it gets the job done. It's got plenty of power. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.